Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by fixing environment issues that commonly trigger Chromes. Your connection is not private. First, set your PC clock and time zone correctly because certificate checks rely on accurate time. Next, update Chrome immediately so modern TLS and certificate handling are present. Finally, temporarily disable VPN or proxy so you know if a middleman is blocking the handshake. Keep a note of any settings you change so you can restore them later. Once done with basics, inspect the site certificate to see issuer and validity dates. You do this via the lock icon so you know if the cert is expired, self-signed, or from an unexpected CA. Then flush DNS with ipconfig/flushdins and restart Chrome. That removes stale records that can cause mismatched certs. Also try incognito mode and another network like a phone hotspot to isolate whether local DNS or route. To finish, turn off antivirus SSL/HTTPS scanning or add the site as an exception because some security products intercept certificates and cause errors. You do this in the app's SSL or web protection settings. If the site uses a private CA you trust, install its CA certificate into Windows Trusted Root, but only from a verified source. Finally, clear Chrome's cache, relaunch, and load the page. If you still see errors, reboot and try the troubleshooting tip. Test from another device to confirm whether the problem is local or server-side.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.